Hi everyone, welcome to New Finance and welcome to this video on Ethereum. So today I want to cover a simple concept that you've probably heard of before, which is dollar cost averaging. What would have happened if we spent five of our dollars every single day for the past 3 years? How much we would have had invested into Ethereum and what our return would be right now. But also, I want to touch on where the market is heading at the moment. As we know, Bitcoin and Ethereum are going rising again to test the highs that we set earlier this year. And who knows, we might be making new highs as we go into 2021. Um, so before I start this video, guys, I make videos often on Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. So if you interested in any content like this, please feel free to subscribe and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm as well, as it will help me out a lot. And you're always welcome to leave a comment with some feedback, constructive or anything to even criticize me. I will take that into account into the coming videos. First of all, I want to go into the market and talk about what has been happening in the past 24 hours. So currently it's Sunday for me, so not much today. The market is 0.13% up, which is not much movement compared to what we normally see on the crypto market. But once again, Bitcoin and Ethereum, with a lot of hype around Bitcoin ETF being approved by the US government coming up sometimes before the end of 2021, the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum are starting to retest the highs that we set earlier this year, with 4,300 for Ethereum and over 64,000 per Bitcoin. Um, Jumping onto the Ethereum chart, we're seeing that we did set that 4,300 earlier this year, May, which we did retest early September, and we are testing it again. So, guys, the resistance that I would be watching at the moment is this 4,060. I would say if it goes above 4,100, then we could have another all-time high. And then before I expect any prices any higher, I would need the all-time high to be beaten once again. But if you guys remember, I've spoken in my previous videos about a $10,000 Ethereum and also a $20,000 Ethereum, and what consequences that could have on Ethereum Classic, which is another coin that I'm personally invested in, and I do make videos on this channel. If you've watched any of those, so where I'm getting these information is from Forbes, that they're saying that crypto market breaks 2.5 trillion as bulls predict a ludicrously strong Bitcoin and Ethereum price rally. So, what they're going off of is that the US regulators are predicted to give the green light for a Bitcoin's ETF to be formed. So, in that regards, people are again trying to buy more Ethereum and Bitcoin to hodl for a potential further increase once this news breaks out, the fact that this ETF has been approved. The other thing, the main thing I want to talk about is the dollar cost averaging side of things with crypto, but today specifically with Ethereum. Why this is one of my favorite, and currently, I'll be honest, I'm not doing this with Ethereum. I'm currently doing this with Cardano. So every day I buy 10 Cardano, regardless of its price. I buy 10 Cardano every day. When I wake up, I just buy 10 Cardano, right? Just as a long-term investment. But you could do this with any coin that you think you first have um, to perhaps, it's probably the easiest way of investing consistently and probably the most reward as well. And most people do say that the accounts that have the most profits are the ones that people lose access to, or the person passes away, because you sort of don't get caught up in news and things that are made to designed in the media to influence your decisions. So you're locked off from it, and because you once you've made your decision, you trust on it regardless of the news afterwards. So dollar cost averaging is you once you've made a decision on a particular investment that you're going to make, you've done your research and you trust the process that this investment is going to pay off in the 10, 20 years that you want to keep it there. um, and every day you buy a little amount. What the beauty of this is that even if the price is really high, you're not buying a lot. And even if the price is low, and sometimes you don't know what kind of price you're dealing with. It could go up after you buy it, or it could go down. So when you're consistently buying it, over time your price for that coin will average out. So in here, I've chosen US dollars, Ethereum as the coin that I'm interested in. And I know I spoke about daily investment of $5. So they don't have a daily option here, so I put weekly investment. So 7 7 35 7 5 will be 35. So weekly investment of $35 here. So if I started off 3 years ago doing that every day, or every week I was investing $35 into Ethereum, how much will I have invested, and how much in profit would I be? So guys, leave me a comment down below what you think, um, uh, and give me a prediction. So I'm going to reveal it now. So in total, you would have invested $5,495. And that would have given you the amount of Ethereum you would have acquired now in today's market would have been worth well over $80,000, $82,066 in today's Ethereum price. And that is over a thousand% increase on your investment. And to be fair, uh, even if I had 100% increase on my money, I would be happy, because I'm not doing anything. Instead of it sitting in a bank, I'd rather have it sit in a coin and then give me a return of 100% instead of, I don't know, 3%, and then what a few percent goes into depreciates because of the value of money going down over time anyways. So um guys, let me know what you think with this. If you are doing if you are doing this, using this strategy with any coin, the beauty of this is that you only research once, and you do your thorough research, and you know that you believe in this, and you don't act on what is going on with the market or news or whatever. You know that you believe in this coin, or even you can even do it with stocks. That you believe in this idea, in the fundamentals of this company, and every day you invest a little bit. $5 is nothing. If you're working, I don't know, it could be your cup of coffee for the day. Most people talk about it like this. So your cup of coffee, instead of having the cup of coffee for the last 3 years, if you gave that up and put it into Bitcoin or Ethereum, Ethereum would have given you 82,000. How many cups of coffee can that buy you? I don't know. That's like a lifetime supply of coffee to me. It looks like 82,000. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you are in this once again, or if you are planning to get into investing like this into the markets of stocks or with any cryptocurrency. And also, guys, do go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe as well for more videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.